How to remove all watch later videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, in here, you will find your watch later videos. Simply click on watch later, and then all your watch later videos will be available in here. To delete it, press on three dots beside the video. After you have pressed on three dots beside the video at the bottom, click on remove from watch later. After you have done that, simply do it to the other videos as well. And this is how to remove all watch later videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.